Hello, little friend. Wiggle, wiggle. Welcome to Animal Playtime. Let's meet 10 cute animals and make their sounds together. Ready? Here we go. Yay! Munch, munch. I'm Panda. Munch, munch, munch. Panda loves bamboo. Can you chew like a panda? Munch, munch. My tummy is so round. Rub your tummy. Panda says, munch, munch. You're so cute. Wobble with me. Left, right, wobble, wobble. Bye-bye, fluffy panda. Hug. Cuckoo. I'm Pigeon. Cuckoo. Pigeon nods my head. Nod with me. Nod, nod. I can find my home far away. Tap your nose. Pigeon is so smart. Cuckoo. Flap your wings. Flap, flap. Fly like a pigeon. Cuckoo. Bye-bye, sweet pigeon. Yip, yip. I'm baby fox. Yip, yip, yip. Fox has big ears. Cup your ears. Hear that? I pounce on snow. 1, 2, 3, pounce! A fox loves to pounce. Yip, yip! You did it! Swish your tail. Wiggle, wiggle. Bye-bye, clever fox. Kiss. Ribbit, ribbit. I'm frog. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Frog has big eyes. Blink with me. Slow blink. My tongue goes zap. Stick out your tongue like a frog. Ribbit, you caught a fly. Hop, hop, hop. 3 hops. A happy frog hops. Ribbit, ribbit, freeze. Bye-bye, frog. Munch. I'm baby giraffe. Munch, munch. Giraffe has a long neck. Stretch your neck up. Up, up. I eat leaves from tall trees. Reach your arms up. A giraffe loves leaves. Munch, yummy. Gallop with me. Stomp, stomp, stomp. You're a tall giraffe. Munch. Bye-bye, giraffe. Braaaamp. I'm baby elephant. Braaaamp, braaaamp. Elephant has a long trunk. Swing your arm like a trunk. Swing, swing. I spray water. Whoosh. Pretend to spray like an elephant. Braaaamp. So fun. Stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. You're a big, strong elephant. Braaaamp. Hug and bye-bye, elephant. Rock. I'm baby penguin. Rock, rock. Penguin waddles side to side. Waddle with me. Left, right. I slide on my belly. Whee! Lie down and slide like a penguin. Brock, so slippery. Flap your flippers. Flap, flap. You're the cutest penguin. Brock. Bye-bye, penguin. Click, click, E. I'm baby dolphin. Click, click, E. Dolphin jumps high. Jump like a dolphin. Whee! I spin in the air. Spin around. A dolphin loves to spin. Click, click. You're a star. Splash down. Clap your hands. Bye-bye, happy dolphin. Click, click, E. Love you, dolphin. Flutter, flutter. I'm butterfly. Flutter, flutter, flutter. Butterfly was a tiny caterpillar. Wiggle like a caterpillar. Wiggle, wiggle. Now I have wings. Open your arms like a butterfly. Flap, flap. Flutter, flutter. Fly around. Whee! You're a beautiful butterfly. Flutter, flutter. Bye-bye, butterfly. Roar! I'm baby lion. Roar! That's my cute roar. Can you roar like a lion? Roar! I have a soft mane. Shake your head like a lion. Shake, shake. A lion is brave. Roar! Prowl slowly. Tiptoe, tiptoe. You're a strong lion. Roar! Hug and bye-bye, lion. You did it! Clap, clap, clap. Which animal was your favorite? Tell your grown-up. Subscribe for more cute animal friends. Bye-bye. Hug, hug.